Okay, before we start, Mr. Ko asked, do you have a calculator with you? You have a calculator. So how's school? Where do your teachers stop? Do they got maths or not?
Just that.
Started real numbers, rational numbers, and negative numbers, is it?
Yeah, just
Just started prime number.
no. Just started. Haven't
Okay,
actually start the negative and positive numbers yet.
Oh, okay. So any homework or not? So far, any question on your homework that you have problems or not?
No.
No, you can do, is it? Okay, that's great. All right, let's continue. Okay, if no, then you were saying that your teacher started the negative numbers, right? Negative multiplied by negative. If your teacher started that,
No.
no, not yet. Okay, never mind. Let Mr. Ko give you some background then. Okay. Um, maybe I start with the number line, all right? So if let's say you have a number line, center is a 0. On the right-hand side, there will be all the positive numbers or positive real numbers. And on the negative side, there will be a negative numbers here. -2, -3, and -4. So how do you view negative numbers as compared to positive numbers? Okay, so let's say 0 means, I will take it as you understand it as what you have. 0 means you have nothing, all right? So when you have 1 means you have something, 2, 3, and 4. Now, when you have negative ones, you can see as you owe people. When -1, you owe people 1. -2, you owe people 2. So -3, you owe people 3. And then finally, -4, you owe people 4. Okay, would that be all right? So I give you an example. Let's say 3, okay, 3 minus 4. What will 3 minus 4 be? Any idea?
-1.
-1, very good. Okay, what about 1 minus 5? What do you get?
-4.
-4, very good. Okay, what about -2 minus 3?
I don't know.
Say again?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know, very good. Oh, no, not very good. As in like, you don't know, it's all right. It's very honest, you tell Mr. Ko. -2 means you owe people 2. -3 is you still owe people 3. So you owe people 2, you owe people 3. Altogether, how many do you owe people? You owe people 5. Would that be okay? All right. So let me give you one more example. -1 plus 3. What would that be? Hmm?
2.
2. Okay, very good. Okay, so that's correct. All right. So far, I think you're okay with the negative numbers. Maybe except this that you need to take note. So let's say Mr. will give you one more, one last one. Okay, what about okay. -4, -4 minus 6 equal to
-10.
Very good. Okay, very good. So -10. All right. Then this is on whole numbers, so you're okay. What about fraction? Do you have any problem, let's say, finding fraction? Let's say I have a half plus 1/3. Are you able to add this?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, so Mr. Go will just quickly do. So 6, that will be 3 plus 2 times 3, 3 times 2. So that gives you 5/6. Okay, on the other hand, if I have, okay, I'm going to write on top here, 1/3 minus half. Okay, so, okay, I know you can use calculator. Let me just do this then. Okay, so it's a 6. Now 6, there's a 2, and then minus away the 3. So you will get -1/6. Would that be okay? Okay. All right, now let's move on to some word problems. We are still looking at application on the word problems on highest common factor and lowest common multiple. So far, do you think you're okay with it? Any difficulty? You try the question now. Like this question, have you done this question?
Yes.
You did already. Oh, well done. So have you got the answer now?
I forgot the answer.
Forgot the answer. Oh dear. Do you print out the worksheets or you didn't print out the worksheets?
Haven't printed out yet.
Oh, okay. Then Mr. Go give you time to do. Is that okay?
Okay.
Are you able to annotate or not, Mr. Go asked? Not able to. Okay, so right. All right, so how long will you take? So give you 2 minutes to try. So the first question, what is the largest number of groups that could be formed? Okay. 2 minutes. Let me just quickly take out my stopwatch, okay? Okay, 2 minutes starting from now. Let's see how you do. Tell me what method are you using?
Branching.
Sorry?
Branching.
Okay, so you have an answer or not?
I'm not actually sure about my answer.
Okay, so maybe quickly we read through, okay? So there are this group of Girl Guides, a group of 145 Girl Guides, 307, 306, okay, stop. Okay, so 306 Boy Scouts selected to perform the National Day Parade. 2 days prior to the performance, means 2 days before, one of the Girl Guides sprained her ankle, had to withdraw from the performance. So originally we have 5. So let me just state this here. Original, okay, original you have GG Girl Guide, BS Boy Scout. So 145 and 306. Now because of the one of them sprained the ankles, now you have 144 and then 306. Do you get that? Then after that, this is the remaining. So Mr. Gu put down here, this is the remaining. So if this is the remaining, to be divided into groups such that each group contains P number of guides and Q number of scouts. Okay, so therefore they ask you, what is the largest number of groups that could be formed? Okay, so if it's the largest number of groups, this actually give you a clue already. To find the largest number of groups, largest, okay, I ask you between these two, HCF, LCM. Now, which one of them is related to this word largest?
HCF.
HCF, very good. Okay, so let's do a HCF. So you remember how to do HCF? Oh, yeah, Mr. Go and meet one more person.
Hello, sorry, I was late.
Okay. Yeah, sorry, what's your name?
Oh shit.
Sorry?
Oh, nothing. Wait, I'll change it.
Oh,
Done.
yeah, Jaden. Okay, yes, Jaden. All right, Jaden, have you done the worksheets or not? Question?
Yeah, yes.
You did already. Okay. Do you have answer for 1A?
Let me go and check. Wait,
Okay, never mind. Since Mr. Koh is explaining to Yushen, so you just listen up. Would that be all right?
okay.
Okay. So I repeat again. So originally you have a Girl Guide, which is 145, Boy Scout 306. Now after one of them sprained the ankles, one of the Girl Guide sprained the ankles, so the number becomes 144 and 306. Now they ask the question is what is the largest number of groups? So the word largest. So I ask, okay, the largest, would that be related to which one that you have learned? Highest common factor or lowest common multiple? So just now Rishan say is highest common factor. So let's do highest common factor using the ladder method. So you're going to have 144, you're going to have 306. Now always take, okay, in this case, they didn't talk about prime factorization. So you can actually take any number that may not be prime. All right. So anyway, I will still continue to take out a prime number. So that will give me a 4 times 3, 12, 8, 3, 24, 1, 0, 2. Now I notice I can still divide by 3 because it digit sum add up to 12, digit sum add up to 3. So 12, the digit sum again is 3, so can divide by 3. So I divide by 3 again. So this is what I get. 1 times 3, 6, 3, 18. So 3 times 3, 9, 4, 3, 12. So I have 16 and 34. Now I take out a 2. 8, 2, 16, 1, 2, 7, 2, 14. Okay, now we left with 8. Oh, sorry. Oh dear. Okay, now I'm left with 8 and 17. Now, 8 and 17, I can't take out any common factor except 1. So this is what you have. 3, 3, and 2 are the common factors. So the largest number of groups that can be formed will be 3 times 3 times 2. And that gives you 18. So the answer is 18. Would that be okay? Is that all right? Yushen, are you okay? Yushen can remember how to do HCF, right?
Yes.
Yes, great. Okay, so this is the first part. Let's move on to the second part. So bearing in mind the first part, 8 and 17, okay? Okay, maybe quickly I put on top, what is this? This is a GG, Girl Guide. This is a BS. Okay, so the next question that they ask. All right. So 18, so next question they ask. State the values of P and Q. So they ask you, each group contains how many Girl Guides and how many Boy Scouts? So I go back to just now the question like that. This is the number of groups. So on the side here, I put down, this is the number of groups. Okay. This gives you the number of groups.